Okay, so just a little bit of reset. So what we're gonna do next is go ahead and build. So I have my, and look, my pasta done thawed out over here while I'm over there fussing. So I'm just gonna put down my sheets, and I really wanted to keep them kind of frozen, but they are thawing out. Like what? All that fussing you were doing? So I just broke them up into pieces, and I'm just putting down some fresh pasta, some fresh. Oh, this light done thawed it out. So I just got like some fresh pasta sheets, and I'm just gonna lay those in there. Some fresh pasta sheets here, and I'm gonna cut that. Hold on. As you can see, let me get that flour off of that one. Where my little knife thing go? Literally handmade pasta. And then on top of that, we're gonna put down some ricotta. Build. So let me get my little spreader for my ricotta. Oh shoot, let me preheat my oven. Alright, oven's preheating. Put down some of this ricotta as we build our lasagna. Blackity black lasagna. So some ricotta, and then a little bit of our my other cheese. That's what I need to do. There we go. I'm trying to let that get hard. So I'm going to go ahead and drop that in there. Where's my little board? So we're using a extra sharp white cheddar. Extra sharp white cheddar is going to be our cheese, along with the other cheeses. So we got kind of a cheese mix and a cheese blend, and we are recording. Okay, good. Where did I do the top to this? I just... This is a extra sharp white cheddar going in. And of course some sauce is going on top of that. More fresh noodles. Building, dropping some ricotta. Our ricotta mixture is going back in. Just giving that a little spread across the noodles there. Hitting that off with a little bit of that Parmesan. And then some of our other cheese, our sharp cheddar. I'm gonna have to hit some more of this off. The good thing about making it from scratch, you run out, you can grab some more. Guys, I'm sorry I can't catch the comments right now because I'm trying to do too much at once. Oh my God, this sauce is just, I don't even want to let them eat this. I don't. I'm like, I don't even know nobody deserve this. I don't even know nobody deserve this good old homemade sauce. Oh my God. Wait till I put it in the oven and it starts bubbling up. I almost want to put down the ricotta, then the noodle, because we're going to the top now, right? I want some more ricotta. Let me see, I got. Wait, what did I do to the ricotta? And I'm gonna put a little bit of that pecorino in there with the ricotta this time. And I'm gonna grab a little bit of this off here. Just to get a little bit more of that green back up in here. Oh yeah, I got some more parsley in there too. We don't need that much. They don't care. They ain't gonna miss nothing. They ain't gonna miss it. What else I put in there? Oh, I should have put some nutmeg, because you know Italians love nutmeg. What's going on? Somebody's doing all that coming. I'm missing it. I'm on my way. Come on, who is that? I love your kitchen. Thank you so much. So we're going to give that another stir. Let me give this a little stir. Because we're getting toward the top here. One of the things when you're building your lasagna, it always seems like you don't have enough. But what you got to think about, you got to put it in the oven. And now we're getting toward the top of this. So I'm going to just drop down a little bit more ricotta here. Get that spread around. Should have put a little bit more salt in there. Let's go with a little, just a little bit. That ain't my salt. What's my salt? I don't know what my salt is. We'll do a little pepper. Let's throw a little pepper on that because I didn't get that done. All right, now we got the last little bit of our noodle to go on top of that with some sauce. And again, y'all, this is homemade pasta. I just made this pasta today. If you go out there, whatever platform you're on a couple of the platforms, we did a prep video. So we just kind of I tried to break it down so I can kind of keep the videos short. But this, as you can tell, is real-time cooking. And if you want to know how the recipe, what I use, this, that, and the other, you will be able to find a short video. Once I go sit down and rest and catch my breath, you'll see a shorter video out there. So this is going to be my last top. This is my top. So I'm going ahead and just covering this up, the rest of this pasta here. And I'm going to put the rest of the sauce down, and then we're going to put the rest of the cheese down. I'm going back in with my cheese on that. So here I have the Parmesan, which I'm going to use a little bit of Parmesan. I'm going to go in with some more of this sharp cheddar. Blade. Top to the blade. Man, I wish y'all could taste this sauce. I am so proud of this freaking sauce. And I feel like it's one of those things I will never be able to accomplish it again. All right, so we're going with sauce. The last of our sauce here. Of course, I reserved some of the sauce for another project. Oven's ready. Oven's saying, come on with it, girl. Come on with it, girl. When I tell y'all, I will probably be making sauce from now on. Look at that. Can y'all get the gist of that? Oh, look at that baby there. And like I said, I didn't think I had enough. You never think you have enough, but you do. Look at that ricotta up in there. Oh, when I cut into this, now I got a little bit ricotta left, so we're going to put that on the top. Just a couple more drops of that. People always ask me, who's going to eat all that food? If it's good, my family will be on the other side of those cameras in any minute now. It's like, is it ready? Is it ready? If it's too gourmet, as they say, I'm gonna spread these out in just little pockets of. It's not gonna go too far. Just little pockets of it, because it's gonna melt. All right, and then I've got this pecorino left here. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of that on there. Get me a nice crisp crumble on that. Then we've got another cheese on there, going on top of that. This is our extra sharp white cheddar. I opted for the extra sharp white cheddar instead of the mozzarella. Because we love mac and cheese? Don't you wish you could hook your mac and cheese up like this on here? Man, YouTube, y'all are getting it good over there, boy. Periscope, y'all getting it too. Instagram, y'all got it going on up there. Let me see. Okay, so that's our melting cheese. And then what kind of cheese do we have there? We have some Parmesan. So we've got some shredded Parmesan here. So we're going to just go across the top with that. You ever notice it's hard to get to the edge? Got some more pecorino left. Stop. And there we have it. Our from scratch. The only thing not from scratch is the fact that we had to add in some tomato paste. See that? You can see the layers. And on that note, I'm going to stop my video. And because it is fresh, not frozen, because it is from scratch, because those noodles are made by hand, it only needs to go in the oven to warm through. It doesn't have to cook for hours. Well, we've been cooking, but it's only got to warm through, and our cheese and all that has got to melt, and it's going to be delicious. So on that note, let's just brown the cheese side. Let me brown the cheese, and I'll show it to you. I'm just gonna let the cheese melt, and then I'll put it back in. Or, yeah, we'll do a little fresh. Ooh, honey. Ooh, wait. Oh my gosh, that looks good. I'm just gonna let that melt down in the cheese. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. Oven cam. Let me grab it out. It's ready. Let me get that in the sink. Ooh, honey. Oh my God. Don't even. Whoa, I hear it. Oh my goodness. All right. Don't drop it. It's hot. Are y'all ready? There you go. And there is our hot donut. Oh my God, and then put in that parsley on there. What's to die for? All right, clearly I have been in the kitchen long enough. All the devices are failing. There she is. There is the lasagna. Lasagna. Homemade from scratch. Everything except for the tomato paste. All right. Homemade noodles. Homemade sauce. All of that, y'all. I've had a wonderful day with you guys. I'll see you guys next Wednesday.